Hi guys, Phasic here from Phasic's Bonsai World. Welcoming you to my world of bonsai. Today I'm going to repot. Believe it or not, this is a cutting that I made a couple of years back. I'm going to take it out of this training pot and put it in this beautiful glazed dark blue pot.
I can't see.
Here it is. So I'm going to loosen the soil as normal. It's not going to be that easy, it's quite heavy. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Come on. Something is still holding it. Oh, I didn't mention it's obviously a Portulacaria Afra, or commonly known as a speckworm in Africa. What is? This is strange. Why is this happening now? It wouldn't come out. It's like it is.
So first stop or what?
Tree's going loose. No! This is weird. Come on. There we go. Now, why did this get so loose? There's lots of beautiful roots. Okay guys, I'm going to clean this root ball up, give it a clipping, and then we'll be back. Welcome back guys. Okay, so I've lessened the root ball, put some root hormone powder. Looks good. I don't want to take off much roots, I only teased it. So now I'm going to put it straight back in as much roots as possible. Yes, that looks good. It's a bit taller now, but it's not such a tall tree in any case. Right. But first the bottom layer of some soil. Stay. very loose at the moment. Hope I don't have to tie this down, but I don't think so. Okay, well, I'm going to be doing this for a while. I'm not going to bore you with this. It's just putting in soil and compacting the tree down. See you a bit later. Welcome back, guys. Okay, I've got it in. It's a bit sturdy, or quite a bit sturdier, but I think I'm going to just put 2 rocks for the time being, because I didn't think it would ever be this loose. I'm just cutting off these roots that keep on popping up. It's only root trimming I'm going to do. Which is looking good. These were the 2 rocks that were supporting when I did the cutting. So it should help again. It's got a nice flat bottom. The 2 rocks, so it should be good. Yeah, obviously not going to move the tree around. I'm going to carry it, and that's that. Give it a good water. I want to clean it up a little bit. These bottom branches. Got one here and there. As you saw, it's very healthy, got good root ball. Roots are already going around in the pot. Shorten some of these so we can get some more ramification. These, as you know, could all make cuttings very easily. Just the front. That there is the front for you guys. I think that's fine for now. I'll just give this a little press again. And the rocks give it actually a nice show. Finish it off with some gravel, but for now here's a spin. Obviously Let it grow now much more. He's leaning a bit, but I like it. And back to me, that's the back now. Okay, thanks guys. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tell your friends about the channel. See you in the next one. Bye.